Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how the Query by Company option works in our menu options here. So in the left hand side here I'm going to highlight Query by Company, click on it. So the two options we have is either Show Facilities by Company or Search Pipelines by Operator. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hide the gas plants because we're going to show facilities, so some of those facilities might be gas plants if you're doing it by company. So you're able to search any one of the companies. I'm going to type into the keyboard Daylight and search for Daylight Energy. And there we go. There's all of Daylight Energy's facilities. Now, you're able to show and hide as well. So as you can see, some of these things are overlapping. So as they come in, you're able to select and deselect any of the facilities, so you're able to hide and show them. Now, to get more information in regards to these query facilities, just like the facilities layer above, where you're using the info pop-up, you're able just to click on these ones and get more information. Let me do that. So Daylight Energy, City, Facility, Phone, Elevation, LSD, all the same information. I'll bring up the compressor stations. Same thing. Now, you're also able to search pipelines by operator in the same way. So also look for Daylight Energy and bring in their pipelines. And what the map is going to do is recenter itself so we can see all the pipelines and layer them in. Now, you're also able to click on these pipelines to get more information. But you have to make sure that the information button is selected in the pipeline drop-down menu. So this was added since we did a dynamic query. And if I zoom in here, you're able to see all the different types of Daylight Energy's pipes. So here we have a fuel gas. I'll click on that one. And the information regarding to that segment will pop up. Here I'll select this crude portion here. And the information pops up. So this is very useful as you're able to get all the different information in regards to a company's assets. So here I'll bring in their compressor stations and batteries again, and all their pipelines are showing. And you're able to get a fairly good broad overview. You're also able to bring in all the other pipelines as well, so you can get a good overview of where other pipelines intersect a certain company's pipelines, etc.